Last remains of Pompeii burn. The gadabout just returned to see the ashes covering the town. Empires burned and cities fell, while lovers kissed and said farewell, and laid their fragile bodies on the ground. But I'm not scared to burn to dust. I will return again if you'll stay by my side. I'll lay down and I won't hide from fate. Vesuvius was growing colder. Embers that had hotly smoldered settled in to lifeless dust below. The gadabout was still alive, but not another soul survived. So through the blackened streets he walked alone. But I'm not scared to burn to dust. I will return again if you'll stay by my side. I'll lay down and I won't hide from fate. Centuries will come and go, the sun will shine, the wind will blow, and we will curse the passing of the years. But time's eternal, day by day, it's us who pass and blow away. Soon no one will remember we were here. But I'm not scared to burn to dust. I will return again if you'll stay by my side. I'll lay down and I won't hide from fate. I didn't want to take your honor away. You're just another toy to me, discarded prey. And I didn't want to hear you crying today. But everything is what it is, and you won't stay in pain for long. No, you are strong. Please, I'm done with the bad disease. You're torn and holy. My mind is swimming in turpentine, dissolving slowly. You shiver like an earthquake shaking your heart. You crack a fissure, exposing every inch of your deepest part. And I never meant to make you crumble apart. But you've got a life ahead, so go and stars.